real BMW content right now.
Oh wow. Oh wow. It's just like your dream.
Like my dream.
Did you ever do this to your M3?
No, I didn't have the money.
Don't leave me. Oh. Is this OEM?
This is aftermarket, but it's OEM spec because it's made by Eventuri, which is like OEM plus. It's probably $4,000.
Oh.
All full carbon, bottom and top. Most people, they'll take this and they'll cut this off and they'll just replace the top piece, but then the bottom's still a thing. This is a full carbon.
I mean, this looks nice.
Damn. This is nice.
So what is it supposed to do?
So this is an induction box. So they're trying to go off the CS, which had more induction noise. So you're gonna hear more air. Like you're gonna hear more. Like we should have done a sound clip. You'll hear more of the vibrations off this because this is very thick, like my booty.
So you're paying $4,000 just to hear more air?
Yeah. Exactly.
Does it get you more air?
No.
So it's the same amount of air.
Yeah. You just hear more air.
This is $4,000. I hate Beamer. I need to get into the Beamer aftermarket bracket. It just makes stupid shit so dumb Beamer people can put it on their car.
Did I tell you what he's also getting carbon?
You know what?
What?
He's getting carbon too. Dynon, carbon fiber, they're splash. So this
Put some Supreme stickers on
is
there.
around $750
Per or for the kit?
for the kit.
So Sean, what do you think?
Badass! Worth all the bucks.